Hi guys, today we'll be making some steamed egg. So first we're going to add 6 eggs.
No sauce, please.
Now we add 1 cup of water. And we mix. After mixing, we add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now we add a 1/4 cup of milk. And we mix again. These are the 3 ingredients we're going to put in our egg: green onion, Chinese sausage, and dry shrimp. You can buy Chinese sausage at any Asian supermarket. Now we're going to cut our Chinese sausage in small diagonal slices. So this is how they look like when they're cut. After washing and drying our green onion, we're going to cut it. First, we're going to cut off the ends. And now we're going to cut it in half. And now we cut. You can buy some dry shrimp at any Asian supermarket as well. To cook our eggs, we're going to use a steam pot. So now we're going to boil our water. Cooking time is 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes in, we add some dry shrimp. We also add some Chinese sausage. And now we cook for 5 more minutes. Now we add some sesame oil. And this is the bottle of sesame oil. And finally, we add some green onions.